Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you connect an Atlas Miner device in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You should wait a little bit until the app loads in. Once that is done, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a settings symbol. Press on it. And here you can see the fourth option in the page, which is devices. Press on it. And here you can connect an Atlas Miner device, and in this page it will be shown any Atlas Miner device that is already connected. And if you don't have any device connected yet, you should just press on connect Atlas Miner device, and you can just scan the barcode with this stuff, and once that is done, your Atlas Miner device will be connected. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.